Hi, Justin Labato here in the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to answer some of the most frequently asked questions, such as what type of buffer is best for cars? Well, with that, we have an assortment here from different manufacturers that can accommodate being safe and effective when it comes to a consumer, enthusiast, or professional getting into utilizing these types of polishers to be safe and effective. Now, with that, in this lineup, we have some of the basic, which is going to be your random orbital polisher from Griot's. Then you have the Rupes line that specializes in long throw machines. And then of course with Flex with their gear driven, also known as forced rotation machine as well. These are going to be super safe and effective in regards to polishing, compounding, and of course utilizing your best waxes and sealants to be applied to your paint system. It's going to keep it simple, and it's going to make it straightforward to where you don't have to worry about damaging the paint unless you're going to physically drop the machine on there. But other than that, this is something that will get you in a good direction for the choice of polishers that are used on your everyday needs for vehicle paint. A personal tip that I would recommend when trying to figure out which buffer is going to be best for you is, of course, one, go into events. That way you could actually test drive these machines at the manufacturer booth, or if there's an open garage at one of your local detail shops where they utilize these professionally, that way you could get your hands on one and be able to really understand what's going to be the best fit for you, and or maybe a personal preference on what you're trying to achieve overall in the services you offer or the job at hand that you're trying to achieve. And that way you understand where your investment will go and you're happy with it overall when choosing a buffer.